Okay, the kite. So all of us like to fly kites. So you must have ever tried to fly any kite. So if you have not tried to fly kites, let's see what is a kite and how it is. Here the poet is Harry Vane. He says, how bright and the blue is a kite when it's new. How bright and the blue. Here blue means the sky. Okay, the sky, blue. Blue means the sky. How bright and the blue is a kite when it's new. So when the kite is new, it is very bright when it is flying in the blue sky. With a dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. With a dive and a dip, here means the kite goes up and down. Dive and a dip, it snaps its tail. It flaps its tail. Tail means there is a tail. Yes, dive means jump. Okay. Then soars like a ship with only a sail. Soars means goes off. It goes up like a ship with only a sail. Only a sail here means it goes like a ship. As you know, that ship goes in the sea. The kite also flies in the sea of the sky. Then soars like a ship with only a sail, as over tides of wind it rides. As a ship goes up and down or soars over tides. Tides here means dew. Okay. As over tides of wind it rides. Of wind it rides means here the kite rides over wind. Climbs to the crest. Crest means top. The kite climbs to the top of a gust and pulls. Gust means gust of wind. With a gust of wind, the kite flies up and down, and it goes up and up at a time. And gust and pulls, then seems to rest as wind falls. So, when the wind falls, the kite seems to rest. That means it does not go up anymore. It becomes weaker and it becomes loosen or loose and gradually it falls. When string goes slack, slack means loose. When the string here means the thread, suta. When string goes slack, you wind it back. We have to wind it back. We have to apply wind to make the kite fly higher and higher and run until a new breeze blows. And run, you have to sometimes you have to run to apply wind to the kite so that it will fly up and its wings fill and up it goes. So when its wings fill with wind, it goes up. How bright and the blue is a kite when it's new. But a raggeder thing you never will see. Here, the most irritating thing is that you will never see when it flaps on a string in the top of a tree. When the kite is on the top of a tree, it cannot fly anymore because it's stuck in the branches of the tree. So it cannot fly anymore.